That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS
DWWW 774.
Oras natin, 4:40 ng umaga.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph. 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS
Santon Plus Gold.
Nga pala, may nabuhan ako ng bukol sa aking suso. Subukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon. Bangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS
The king of pop is back. Yes, Michael Jackson will be brought to life once again with a once-in-a-lifetime performance of world-renowned tribute artist Rodrigo Teaser from Brazil. DMC Philippines, in cooperation with Newport World Resorts, present Michael Lives Forever. Michael Lives Forever with Rodrigo Teaser this March 14 and 15 at Newport Performing Arts Theater at Newport World Resorts. Tickets are available at Ticket World and SM Tickets. Michael Lives Forever is also brought to you by One World Deli and DWWW 774.
Kaunlaran sa agrikultura kasama sina Nina Manzanares Agu at Ramil Rubia.